Hey everybody, welcome to the video. So today we're going to use some of this flux core gas shielded welding wire. And a lot of people are like me as a hobbyist welder. You've never probably used this. I know I haven't. And actually, I just heard about this about a month ago. So let's get into it and see how it does. This flux core gas shielded wire is supposed to run hotter and penetrate deeper than regular traditional solid core MIG. And then it's also much easier to use than traditional stick with 7018. A lot of people are referring to it as 7018 on a roll. So I was really interested in this because I've had trouble getting my stick welding to be that good. And yet my MIG welding looks good, but for structural welding, and I only do non-critical structural welds, so I didn't want to have to worry about any of my structural welds breaking. And what I'd done in the past is I'd stick weld anything that was going to need to really hold, because I knew it would get deeper penetration. But a lot of my stick welds were pretty ugly. Meanwhile, I've been welding a whole bunch with solid core MIG lately, and those welds look really good. But I've had a lot of people tell me, just because it looks good with MIG, it may not penetrate deep enough to be a really good structural weld. So that led me to this dual shield flux cord wire. And I'll tell you what, this stuff, it seems to be doing the trick. Let's check it out. This particular Blue Demon wire is 035, and being flux cord, you do need to use the knurled feed roller. After that, I'm using 2575 gas, and it runs on electrode positive. I went ahead and tried both the synergistic settings on my Vulcan 215 MIG-Max, and then I also just cranked up the amperage about as high as it would go, just to try and play with this weld, see what would work best for me. And honestly, it all flowed really good. The slag on these welds peeled off really easier than any slag I've ever seen before. And you end up with a really clean, smooth weld. This stuff is hard to beat. I ran a whole bunch of stringers and then also did some butt welds. And for the first time ever using this wire, I'm really impressed with how it's doing. The reason so many people are using this dual shield is it can give you very much penetration and strength like 7018 out of a stick welder, but it's so much easier for a beginning welder to get a good weld with a MIG that this ends up being kind of a cheat code. it burns hot and it penetrates deep. And that's what you need for a decent weld. I've never done any destructive testing of my welds, but I thought I'd just break some of these apart and then look and see if I saw any kind of holes or inclusions or anything. And honestly, I thought they should have probably not broken as easily as they did. But once they did break off, everything inside looked pretty dang clean. So I don't really know the parameters for doing any of this destructive brake testing, but it was just something to play around with. And I've got a shop press, so why not? Every time I've done a welding video, I've gotten some really good feedback from everybody that's watched. And so if you have any feedback on this dual shield wire, or even the brake testing that I'm doing to kind of grade these welds, definitely put it in the comments below. I'll appreciate every one of them. I thought this weld looked really good. All right, well, my final thoughts on this dual shield wire is I like the stuff a lot. They say it's basically 70-18 on a spool, and I know that I can MIG weld a whole lot better than I can stick weld. So again, I don't know if this Blue Demon is the best dual shield. It's just the only dual shield I've got. And this is 035, and I'll tell you what, it made some nice looking welds. So the strength test, I've never really broke test any of my welds before, so I don't know if that's really telling or not. But that's what I'll be using instead of stick weld when I have the opportunity. So if you got anything out of this video, give us a thumbs up. It absolutely helps the channel. And we invite you to subscribe to see more. Have a great day and be safe.